Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to access OnlyFans content without subscribing. So first, OnlyFans is a subscription-based platform where creators set their own prices. That means most content is locked and can only be viewed through an active subscription. Now, a lot of people online can claim there are free methods, but most of those are fake and unsafe websites. They often try to steal accounts or personal information, so you should avoid them completely. Real ways to access content are simple. You either subscribe to the creator, or sometimes they offer free trials or free posts for follower. Some creators also share previews on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, so you can follow them there to see free teasers before subscribing. So that's how OnlyFans access actually works and what you should know before trying anything online. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.